Hello everyone. So today this is like an informative video on the questions asked by our YouTube subscribers or our YouTube visitors. So we will just let you know about the questions one by one and then we will be able to answer those. First one is how to do an audit of the Google Ads account. So now the primary thing when we do the audit is to make sure that we at least have the conversion tracking in the campaigns, because the audit needs to be that from where we are trying to control the spend on the non-converting areas and how we can increase the spend or increase the impression share from the highly converting areas. So the first thing that we should keep in mind when we do the audit of the campaign is to make sure that the conversion tracking is done properly, then only the proper audit will be done. In terms of the audit, we look at various levels in terms of the Google Ads account. The first thing that we need to make sure is to see whether we are getting the quality clicks from the campaign. That can be seen from the search term, and then that is very closely related to the keyword match type that we normally use. So first thing to make sure is that what kind of quality clicks that we are getting, and that we should be able to see from the search term. Second thing is that we need to see what is the cost per click that we are paying, whether we are overpaying for a click or we are underpaying to get a click. The thing is, the daily budget that we have given, we should see whether we are able to spend the budget. So if we are able to spend the budget, then we need to control the bidding. But if we are just not able to spend the budget, then we need to see what is the search loss impression share due to rank, and that's how we just need to ramp up the bidding accordingly. The other thing is that we have to see from where we are getting the conversions from. So now this is into a multiple level thing. So for example, we need to see the devices, we need to see the Google search partners, we need to see the audiences section, and in the audiences section we need to see the demographics, we need to see the age range, gender, household income. There we will be able to see the data at the micro level. We will be able to see from where we are getting the conversions from. Then the optimizations needs to be done based on the CPA. The other thing that we need to look at in the audit is basically the ad copy, whether we are having proper ad copy and whether the testing of the ad copies are being done or not. So for that we need to make sure that we have at least 2 ad copies in one ad group. That way we can split test the ad copies and then see what works best for us. Then the ad copy optimizations will be done. So these are the very basic steps that we need to check when we start with auditing of the campaigns. So if you have any campaign that is already running and you need help, you can certainly contact us, and then we will let you know what should be the best way going forward.